Arm Palmer is a manufacturing company that makes chocolate novelties. We've been in business for 70 years now, since 1948, and we're a leading manufacturer of hollow Easter bunnies.
What is the history about Palmer?
He purchased $10,000 worth of equipment and started making an item called Baby Binks, and 70 years later it's still in our line today.
What do you look for in an employee?
I think there's a couple of things. One is you have to find someone who has the skill set for the job that you're looking for. And then also there's the right fit in terms of their personality and how they will go about the job and whether they can actually be part of the team to help make candy fun.
When you look on that wall and see all those different novelty candies that are out there, we're the people that started it and we're the people that are still in the forefront of it.
Look at all the things you buy in at home and you open the packaging. Holy cow, just look all that goes into packaging one thing. Next time you open something and you're cutting and ripping, oh, somebody had to pack that, or a machine assisted them.
I know what I'm making, not only children, but adults also are going to enjoy, but when kids get their Easter basket and there's that hollow bunny in it, you know that you're bringing a big smile to kids' faces. And older people also, they remember our candy from when they were little, and the fact that they can still go get a Baby Bink, something they remember getting when they were a child. It's nostalgic to them, and so they really enjoy that.
I thought like manufacturing was just sitting like watching the machines do the work, but like hands-on experience for like this company is like really cool to watch, and it'll be really fun to work here.
How can you not love what I do, right? I make chocolate for a living, so every day I come to work and I get to make chocolate bunnies and chocolate Santas and make everybody